how to get Python. When you want to have Python, you can get it from python.org. It is a website. From there, you can download and install the Python software, right? Python language. So I'm going to demonstrate how to download it and install in our PC in order to work with Python. Right now, for that, let me go to python.org. So this is the website. You can download Python latest version of Python by going to download and then all releases. I think there is a note that one cannot be used in Windows 7 or earlier. So they have some sort of notification. If you want to see a full list of download, you can click here. So here they have download Python 3.1.2.4. Maybe it is a stable release, right, for Windows. So I'm going to directly download it by hitting this button. So they are downloading that. I think I have a setup file now. Just I go there and let me run it from my download folder. So install now. So new to Python, start with online tutorial. What is new in this release? Using disable path length limit, change your machine configuration to allow the including Python to bypass 260 characters. I think this is an, they used to say, yes. After doing it, I just close it. So I believe that's all. These are the simple steps that we can do to install Python. But whether the Python is successfully installed or not, that we have to verify now. To verify that, I just go to command prompt and I open command prompt. I type Python. It looks like they are searching and they are not finding it. There is no, that is, there is no Python. They see like there is no Python install. They are saying like you have to install it from the App Store. But we have installed. Let me check whether we have installed. The other is respective software is installed in this folders. For that, I go to the installation C:. Okay, this is the file location where the Python installation is stored. Like user, that is users, and then user specific name, app data, local programs, Python, and then respective version name, right? This is how here only the complete, that this is the location where your Python installation is stored. This may vary to PC as my username will be different, but the remaining thing like app data, local, and other things are same. Previously, they used to store these things under the program 86 or program files directory, but I believe there is a change in that one. So we have to migrate to this a new location right now. So I have in my PC the Python is installed, but when I try to invoke that in the command prompt, it says there is no Python. Why it is? The reason behind that is we didn't configure the path of the Python installation in the environmental variable, so that if you configure that, so you can easily call Python. You can open Python from any directory. In command prompt, you can invoke the Python from anywhere. So in order to achieve that step, I just copy this path, right? And then I go to, I think this PC and properties. I think there is something called as advanced system testing setting. Here environmental variable, there we have path, right? We have to edit that, right? So here we have to paste that one, right? Done. So once you have done that, the stage is set now. We can invoke Python from command prompt itself. But you have to close command prompt once and open it again. Let me close it and open it again. So now I type Python here. Interesting. Still it's search. Interesting. Still it's search for Python. Why it is so? I said the direct path, no? Right? We have a Python application is here. Hmm? Hmm. Let me check whether I configured the path properly. Oof. Properties. Advanced system testing setting, environmental variable. We have to do it here, not there. So I did that. And then I click OK. Close it. Right. That's all. This much easy it is to install. Let me sum up the steps. Go to python.org, download. Let me write down so that it will be helpful to you. Go to python.org, download latest binary and install. Set path to installation directory. Usually installation directory will be this one, like C:, users answer, right here. The answer can be replaced as username. Right. Remaining are same. Right. So you have to give your Windows username. So that's all. The moment you set that, you will get the installation. Right.